G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. This video unfortunately is a bit of a gap filler, but don't worry, we've got plenty of cool stuff coming up in it. Last week I missed an upload just due to the coronavirus thing, everything being on lockdown. Just really hard to get out and film anything. This week was looking the same, but yesterday I picked up some new goodies. So let me just show you those. These are a set of 36-inch Super Swamper TSLs. One of them is a really narrow one, that's the spare. The other one I've got standing next to the $100 disco, and well, there we go. So 36 by 12.5, 15 Super Swamper TSLs. As you can see, they're going to have a lot of poke. They're on a 6-stud wheel, whereas Land Rover's 5 studs, so obviously I can't bolt them up and try them all out right now. We've got to change the rims over, or maybe change the axles to 6 studs. I am looking at doing Safari axles, just because that is a more budget option rather than going Ashcroft. Don't really want to spend big on a $100 truck. But I picked those tyres up super cheap, super stoked with them. I'll show you a bit more on those, but first, in the last video I mentioned there's talk of doing a subscriber meetup, go off-roading with all you guys. Put a poll and everyone seemed pretty keen on the idea. There's quite a few yeses, so that's good to see. So once the coronavirus and all that stuff calms down a bit, I will make sure I make a date and get to meet you guys and go for a fun wheeling trip. Anyway, let's get a closer look at these tyres. Right, so as you can see, they're in pretty good nick. They've got about 16mm of tread. They are a little bit on the old side, but they've been stored out of light, and they're actually still pretty soft. They're only a little bit harder than my Silverstones to the finger, so seems fine. I got them for 1200 bucks on rims. These are 15-inch rims that have been widened, so they have heaps of offset, like a lot more offset than you would get on a 15x10 negative 44, so it's a wide setup. But yeah, I won't go into the build too much more on this truck, except that I am currently on the look for some Safari axles. So yeah, if you know of any going cheap, let me know in the description down below. We're going to be doing some pretty crazy stuff in the back, with linking the whole suspension, and then the front will probably just keep a little more tame. But yeah, anyway, enough talking from me. I know you guys want to see some action as well, so how about we look on the hard drive, see what I can find. Maybe 2016 West Coast off-road trip. I haven't shown that on the channel, so we'll do that. We had a couple of comp trucks. It was an awesome trip over there, so I'll stick that in. So look forward to that. Anyway, give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to stay tuned for more. We've got heaps happening on this, obviously. We've got new tyres to put on it and axles, and also as soon as the lockdown's over, I will be back out in this truck. It has been a while since I've had this thing out, especially on the channel, so looking forward to all that. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya. He's falling into it.
didn't get much further.
Having said that, he did it with less wheels on the ground.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Has he got his lockers in?
Didn't have the red one. Yeah, look at the bushes. Holy heck.
He's not relying solely on tyres.
It's jet.
It's jet propulsion. Yep, exactly.
Oh boy. Look at the
It's a strong hit. It's a high pressure turn. It's an excuse to use the right foot. It sounds good.